Hi, it's Pat Fitzgerald, the VA loan guy. Today we're going to talk about credit repair. Okay, so what actually is credit repair? Well, first let's talk about what are the issues that cause these problems for people on their credit reports. Obviously, it's late payments, collections, and lately I've seen a lot of apartment leases that have been terminated early. All these things contribute to negative information getting on a credit report. But here's a common misconception. I paid the bill off, now it's off my credit. That is wrong. Even though you paid it and you have a zero balance, the damage is done and it's still reporting as either a derogatory a late payment on your credit report, and it'll be there for 7 years unless you or a credit repair company goes to work on trying to get that off. Here's something you need to know. 83% of all credit reports today have errors of some kind. Sometimes it's items that are just simply not yours. Sometimes it's wrong dates reported or amounts that you've actually paid off that aren't there. Any number of things, but all that stuff has to do with how your scores are being reported. It's very, very important. It could be the difference of you getting a mortgage or not in a lot of cases. So what actually does credit repair do? These are companies that are organized and they offer their services to consumers to basically bombard the credit bureaus with letters questioning every negative thing on your credit report. Is it effective? You bet it is. Because under federal law, the credit bureaus have just 30 days to respond back and clarifying whether that item is really true or not. But here's where the credit repair, where the really positive thing happens. If the creditors don't report back to the bureaus within 30 days, federal law says that negative item has to come off your credit permanently. And that's how credit repair really does its job correctly, is that they question these things, and if they don't get the responses on time, the bureaus have no choice but to remove it from your report. But and understand this, I'm kind of glossing over all the details of it, but the bottom line is there are lots of people in the credit repair business that take your money and don't do anything. So be very careful with who you hire to do this. I can always give you people that I've worked successfully with that have done a wonderful job, but ask around, get some references from people that have used them to be sure that these are people that know what they're doing. So, got any questions? Call me at 210-215-4400. As I tell everybody, it doesn't cost a penny to talk. So call me right now, 210-215-4400. Thanks for tuning in.